This is the first station to Bual Cave, coming from the Rosario and Cabalyoriza Passage. Here is the junction point. We have Rowan on book, Edwin on instrument. The main passage, it has a small pool. And coming down here, where Charlie is where the survey team came from. This leads to Rosario Caves. After coming here, they set up a junction point to go up to Bual, but the passage continues to Cabalyoriza Caves, where Charlie, that's McCoy, and Boom are lighting up. Okay, continue with the survey.
Right.
Two 294.
294, that's tomorrow.
That's 5.
That's 5.
6. 16.
Huh?
16 pala.
1 5?
1 5.
1 5.